have seen how to do this 2D design with the help of the Ansys, and we have make a surface finish as well. So this is the final product of the previous video. So in this video we are going to extrude the object and do a meshing process. So we will go on it. So for extruding, just click, it's a simple step, just click extrude, and then here it will ask the geometry, give apply under geometry, and then under add material give add frozen. So this is a thing we have given previously, so just give add frozen. This is a step-by-step procedure for making extrude. And then in direction vector give it normal is perpendicular to the surface of the line. And then depth, it's around 30 mm. It's a default depth value which is coming in the Ansys CFD. If you want any kind of different depth, you can select it also. I type as 20 mm as a depth. So I type a 20 mm as a depth. So after giving all the parameters over here, just give generate. Once you generated, the resultant object will be formed like this. So in CAD modeling SolidWorks, the object looks very intensely, but here in Ansys CFD simulation, the object it's look like transparent, so it will be useful for you to see on the both the sides. And this is a way we can extrude in geometry under Ansys simulation. So this is the extruded product of 20 mm. This length, this thickness is 20 mm, as you can able to see. This thickness is 20 mm. What I have given as a depth value over here. So from this we have extruded it. So after extruding it, just we will go to the workbench, we will give update. So this update has to be done for going a further process. Next we will move on a meshing process. Here you can able to see the mesh under component systems. The mesh will be there, just double click on it and drag with a geometry and connect it to the geometry. After connected it, the geometry will come to this meshing parameter and meshing domain, so that you can able to do a meshing. Right click on the mesh and give edit. Once you give edit, the meshing tab will be open. With the help of the meshing tab, you can able to do a meshing process. Meshing is one of the important process in most of the CFD simulation work. So after doing a meshing, we can able to get a desired solution with accurate values as well. So the mesh will open. Once we'll give edit, we will wait for some time. So it's asking different kind of answers, dark or light. Just this is the first time I'm opening the machine, so it's asking like this. So if I'm choosing a black color, it will be easy for you to see in the video. So I will choose a black color. So it will open. I will wait for some time. The simulation is used in many of the research and development centers in most of the industrial working areas. So this kind of things is applicable in most of the static structural and the loads where is applicable also. So the meshing tab is open right now. So it is loading. We can able to find out the parameters over here. It's loading 100% ready. So we will move on to the values. Over here we can able to see parameters over here. The project, this is the final product what we have done in the geometry after extruding. So we will do a meshing. Just click the mesh and right click on it. So if you want the mesh size, a different mesh size, you can able to give the different mesh size. Here the default mesh size is 5.29 into 10 power minus 3 meter. So if you want any kind of values, different values means you just give 0.00005. This is in meter. As you can able to see, the values are here is in meter. So just I am giving 0.005 0.0005. So this is a very less value, which is in meters. So once I given, I will click on mesh and right click on the mesh and give generate mesh. Here the meshing process going on. Is you can able to see the progress over here. Already 5% have been done. So it will take some time because the component, the splitted components, the grid independence was very less. So it will take some time for the meshing process. So this, the purpose of doing meshing is to get an accurate value in the result. So this makes a crucial role in many of the results while going for further process as well. So it will take some time for meshing process depending upon your computer's speed and RAM. My PC RAM is around 8 GB. It's around 8 GB. So it's take some amount of time. If you are giving the element size very big size, so the time will be getting reduced. So if increase the element size, the time is getting reduced for meshing process. If you decrease the element size, the time will increase. So both are inversely proportional to each other. So this takes some time. You will wait for some time. So instead of giving this value, this takes some more time. So we'll change this value to 0. We'll just cancel it and we will change some other values for reducing the time of machine. We will give the depth, you can able to see the depth is 20 mm. So we will give a mesh for at least 5 mm. I will give first as 5 mm. So 5 mm is 0.005. I given this in meter. So once I given this, first I will make a 0.05. This is 5 centimeter. So I will make a 0.005 and then give right click on it and give generate mesh. Once you generate mesh, so it takes small amount of time. As you can able to see, this is a meshing for this product. This mesh splits the overall body into small pieces. As you can able to see the cube like structure. So this small pieces makes or giving a better accurate results in the resultant values. So if you want to change the values, you can able to change it over here. Instead of giving 0.005, can give very small value also. For that it will take some time. This is for 1 mm. For 1 mm it will take some amount of time. So depending upon the value what you are giving over here, if the value was very less, so it will take more time because the splitting the overall object into small pieces very difficult for it to make meshing. So here you can able to see 45% is completed. So depending upon the computer RAM core processor, the meshing process will be done. So here you can able to see the meshing. So this is split into small pieces which gives more accurate value when compared to the before value. Previously I have given 0.005. I have given 5 mm. Now I have given only 1 mm. So this split into like this, you can able to see. So this is a way how we have to do the meshing process. So this is a front view of it. If you want to have isometric view, just you can see like this. This is a resultant meshing process. I hope this video is useful for you. In upcoming video, we will do the further process as well. Thank you.